Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
There are several ways to share a document by email in Word. You can send it as a Word document, a PDF or XPS attachment, or if saved to the cloud, an editing link. To perform any of these actions, click the File tab in the ribbon, and then click the Share command in the Backstage view. To email a Word document as an attachment, first click the File tab in the ribbon and choose the Share command. The available sharing options appear at the right side of the Backstage view. Click the Email option to see the available commands. To have Outlook open a blank email message and attach your document, click the Send as Attachment button. The name of your document is also inserted into the subject line too. Simply finish creating the email message as you normally would, and then click the Send button to send your document via email. Note that sharing a document this way does not allow for real-time collaboration. You are simply sending a copy of the file to the email recipients. To email a link to a Word file saved on your SharePoint or OneDrive storage, first save the file to one of these locations. Then click the File tab in the ribbon to open the Backstage view of the file. Then click the Share command and then choose the Email option. In the list of buttons that appears to the right, click the Send a Link button to open a blank email message. The subject line contains the name of your document. The body of the email contains a link to the document's location on your SharePoint or OneDrive online storage accounts. Complete the email as normal and click the Send button to send it. This option lets every person work on the same copy of the document and everyone sees the latest changes. To email a copy of the document as a PDF attachment, click the File tab in the ribbon and then click the Share command. Click the Email option to the right and then click the Send as PDF button to the right of that. Outlook then opens a blank email message and attaches a PDF version of the document to it. The subject line shows the document's title. Complete the email as you normally would and click the Send button to send it. The advantage of using a PDF file is that it saves the formatting of your document exactly as it appears in Word. To email a copy of the document as an XPS attachment, click the File tab in the ribbon and then choose the Share command. Click the Email option to the right and then click the Send as XPS button to the right of that. Outlook then opens a blank email message and attaches an XPS version of the document to it. The subject line shows the document's title. Complete the email as you normally would and then click the Send button to send it. To email a copy of the document as an internet fax, you must first have a fax service provider. If so, then click the File tab in the ribbon and choose the Share command. Click the Email option and then click the Send as Internet Fax button. Click this button to view a pop-up box. Click OK to go to a web page where you can choose a fax service provider. Choose a provider and follow the instructions to set up the service. This works the same way as a regular fax machine but uses email and the internet instead.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.